Distance used to divide us. It meant bad connections, missed opportunities, lost ideas. But we see distance as an advantage. The key to unlocking innovation, enabling flexibility, and inspiring talent. We build devices for every workspace, from the home office to the conference room. Our technology understands nuances of communication and prioritizes what matters. With cutting-edge AI and NVIDIA accelerated computing, we make it feel like everyone is at the table and in focus, no matter where they are. We capture sound and ensure it's always clear, and make it easy to share and illustrate ideas. Our devices work with your platform of choice, connecting teams across the globe securely. By making it easy to set up, manage, and optimize workspaces, we help IT and facilities teams to accelerate workplace transformation. And with a focus on circular design principles and energy efficiency, we even help to make the office more sustainable. With Cisco devices, distance isn't an obstacle. It's your superpower.